Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds LG TONE Free. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We're gonna use an application or we're gonna use gestures. And let's get started by use the application. Open LG TONE Free app, and if you add your earbuds there, you will see the same menu as I have. Right here you need to scroll down. Oh no, sorry, you don't need it. The second line we have control ambient sound and ANC, and you need to tap at this line. Then put your earbuds to your ears. And to enable transparency mode, you need to tap at the ambient sound. If you do not put it to your ears, you cannot enable it, and right now, as you can see, I cannot do this. So now we click on it, and I just enable it. To disable it, you need to swap to ANC or normal mode. As I said previous, we have few options, so we can use a gesture also, and touch your ears located at the back side of your earbuds. Right here you have the dots, right here dot and right here, and this one is touch your ears, so you need to press and hold on it on your left or right earbud. And as you can see, I just swapped to transparency mode with the gestures. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!